On to today's lesson. This is the second video in a video series, and it's about applying exponent rules. In the previous video we talked about multiplying exponents. We're going to continue with that with another problem set. And just to remind you, in case you missed that first video, if we're going to take two things, multiply with powers here, these are like bases, x and x in this case. The answer is x to the fifth because we add the powers. So here's the rule. When multiplying exponents or powers with like bases, you're going to add the powers. So if I'm going to take 3x times 2x to the fourth, as you can see here, instead of writing it out the long way, just remember this rule in the orange there. Add the powers. So x to the first times x to the first times x to the fourth gives me x to the sixth. And then I multiply the number parts together. All right, let's take another look here with some problem sets. Grab a piece of paper, be ready to pause the video and try these yourself. You try 5, 6, 7, and 8 and watch the signs there and we'll see how you did. You can see the answers for all these, but let's look at number 5 here. What I recommend is that you look at the number parts first. So that's what's called a coefficient. The coefficient of 2 times the negative 4 times the 3. And that's where I get negative 24. Then we do the variable parts. This is m to the first. If you don't see an exponent, it's really to the first, times m to the fourth, times another m to the first, and that gives us m to the sixth altogether. And this is n to the third, n to the fourth, and n to the first. Again, add the powers, n to the eighth. All right. Number 6 is negative 4 x squared y to the eighth. Now they have these in opposite alphabetical order, which is still correct, but not considered proper form. So you might want to consider putting in alphabetical order here with the variable parts, and that would look like this. So there's your answer for number 6. Now let's look at number 7. Negative 2 times negative 4 would be a positive 8, and x to the fourth is not multiplied by anything else, and y to the third is not multiplied by anything else. So we're going to just connect them together and squish them together like that. And number 8, negative y to the fourth is really negative 1 y to the fourth, if you consider the kind of the invisible 1 coefficient there. And that's why my answer is positive 4. And then I have, again, a y to the fourth times x to the fourth, and we just put them together like that. All right, thank you for watching this problem set number 2. Now we're going to get a little more complicated in the next video and talk about powers of powers.